Hello everyone! Welcome back to A3M Kitchen, where we turn simple ingredients into epic feasts. Or we think so. Alright, today we are cooking mushroom pulao. One pot, one whistle, and one big smile on your face. Let's dive in. Here's the squad for today: mushroom, onions, tomatoes, potato, carrot, peas, garlic, chilies, coriander leaves, mint or pudina leaves, soaked jeera rice, whole spices, and turmeric. This is a mixture of a rainbow of veggies and a masala gang so powerful even your neighbor will come knocking when the aroma hits them. True story, mushroom aren't actually veggies, they are fungi. But don't worry, they are fun guys to hang out with in pulao. Now let's create the masala. For this, heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Drop in 15 garlic cloves, 5 green chilies, a handful of coriander leaves, and half a handful of mint leaves. Fry till it smells like your kitchen just leveled up. Now add the 2 medium tomatoes, diced, and saute till they surrender and go mushy. Cool it down, grind this mixture into a paste. This, my friend, is our flavor bomb. Now, in a pressure cooker, heat 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of ghee. Yes, we are being generous because pulao deserves it. Add the spice avengers: 1 star anise, 2 bay leaf, 5 cloves, 4 to 5 little cinnamon sticks, and 3 cardamoms. Let them crackle and perfume the air. Next, add 1 sliced onion. Fry till it turns see-through and sweet. Now comes the veggie parade: 1 diced potato, half a diced carrot, and a handful of green peas. Saute this colorful mix for 2 minutes. Here's the star: 250 grams of mushrooms, cleaned and cut. Fun fact, mushrooms are about 90% water, so don't freak out when they shrink. It's normal. Add a pinch of turmeric to give everything a golden glow. Saute for 2 more minutes. Time to drop in our flavor bomb paste. Mix until the veggies look like they all just joined the same WhatsApp group. Add salt. I'm using rock salt, but regular works just fine. Stir it all together. You don't have to cook the mixture more because we've already fried it before grinding. So next, we just add the 2.5 cups of jeera rice that's been soaking for 20 minutes. Mix gently so you don't break the grains. Think of it like handling glass ornaments at Christmas. Fry about 3 to 4 minutes, then add water. Remember the golden ratio: 1.5 cups of water for every cup of rice. So that's about 3 3/4 cups of water here. Stir once and admire the beauty. Next, close the cooker lid and cook this for about 2 minutes in high flame and reduce to medium flame. Now for the big suspense. Wait for just 1 whistle. Yes, 1. This is the Netflix cliffhanger of pulao cooking. Short, dramatic, and totally worth it. Look at that beauty. Fluffy, fragrant, golden mushroom pulao, all cooked in just 1 whistle. The mushrooms have soaked up all those spices, the veggies add that crunch, and the rice perfectly fluffy. Pair it with cool cucumber raita, crunchy poppet, or even a spicy pickle if you're feeling adventurous. Honestly, it's a complete meal that's comforting yet classy. And here's a fun fact before we go. Did you know mushrooms have more protein than most veggies and are even called the meat of the vegetarian world? So yes, this dish is not just tasty but also power packed. Now, if this recipe made you hungry, smash that like button, drop a comment telling us your favorite pulao combo, mushroom, veg, chicken or mutton, and don't forget to subscribe to A3M Kitchen, because here every recipe comes with a little flavor, a little fun, and whole lot of love. See you again in the next video. Until then, happy cooking and happy eating.